Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to change email address on Fiverr. To change email address on Fiverr, first you have to make sure that you are logged in either through the official website fiverr.com or by the application. Here, I'll be using the application. Once you open the application, tap on the More option located on the bottom right. Now, tap on the pencil icon located on the top. Here, you can edit your profile information, including your name, your date of birth, and then your email address. To change it, tap on your current email address. Enter your new email address. Once you enter your new email address, tap on the arrow icon. Once you do this, a verification email will be sent to your email. You have to check your email for that. Tap on the mail from Fiverr. Now tap on Confirm Email. After successful verification of your email, you have to go back to Fiverr. And here you go, your email has been successfully verified and changed. Now you will be receiving updates on your newly added email address. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.